Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, my name is Olivia Thompson, and I'm 13 years old. I'm currently in the 7th grade at Oakwood Middle School. I've always been curious and active, and I enjoy balancing my time between academics and sports. I'm excited to share more about myself with you today. My favorite subject is English because I love reading and analyzing stories. I recently read To Kill a Mockingbird, and it inspired me to think about themes like justice and empathy in the real world. I also enjoy writing essays where I can express my ideas and make connections between literature and everyday life. Outside of school, I have two main passions: reading and volleyball. I love getting lost in a good book because it helps me relax and expand my imagination. I'm also the captain of our school volleyball team, where I've learned how to stay focused under pressure and encourage my teammates to do their best. Last season, our team made it to the district finals, which was an amazing experience. People often describe me as hardworking and positive. I enjoy setting goals and working toward them, whether it's finishing a challenging book or improving my volleyball skills. I'm also a supportive teammate and friend because I believe collaboration and encouragement help everyone succeed. For instance, during our last tournament, I made sure to keep the team motivated even when we were trailing in the score. In the future, I hope to combine my love for reading and storytelling by writing my own book. I'd also love to continue playing volleyball at a competitive level and possibly mentor younger players. Both of these goals excite me because they let me share my passions and help others along the way. I'm really excited about this opportunity to share more about myself and learn from you. I'm looking forward to discovering how I can contribute to this school's community, both academically and through activities like sports or clubs.